To search for scholarly peer-reviewed articles in the APA PsycArticles database, start at the library website. Go into Library Databases. You will find the database under the Psychology heading. Additionally, there are other databases listed that might be useful to you. Click on APA PsycArticles and enter your MEID and password when prompted. To search the advanced search screen, you will enter your keywords here. First, set your limiters. You want to make sure your results are full text, and you want to make sure they are scholarly peer-reviewed. There are many other ways you can limit your results, but I suggest starting with those two limiters. Now enter your search terms. If I was looking for articles on jealousy, I could search simply by the word jealousy. Or maybe I'm looking for jealousy and friends, or friendships, or relationships. Now I'm going to search. And I get 81 results. If I look on the left, I get more information about those results. The oldest is from 1907. The newest is from 2023. The newer results show first. I might also want to limit my methodology. At this point, I want to find only an empirical study. When you're looking for experiments, you want to limit to that. First, I see the abstract. This tells me what was studied, how it was studied, and what was found. It's a little harder to read here, but if you click on the title of the article, you will get a bigger screen. I see all of my authors and their credentials listed. I see the source, meaning the journal that it was published in, as well as the date and the pages. All of this information is important for my citation when I'm making an APA citation for my assignment. Here's an easier to read abstract and subject headings, which I might use for further searching. If I scroll down, I can read the article right here on the screen. I can even jump to specific parts of the article, such as the methodology section. However, I also want to see what this article looks like in the journal that it was published in. So I click on PDF full text, and this will show me exactly what that article looks like in print. This is what a scholarly article should look like. At the very end of the article, you will see a list of references which might lead you to further research that you can use. If I would like to download this, I simply click the download and save to my computer. Or I could email the article to myself. I can grab the permanent link back to the article. I would copy and paste that permanent link to get directly back to the article. Let's return to our result list. I might want to look at several of these results. The best result might not be the first one that comes up. I'm going to want to look at the abstracts very carefully. Remember, the list of subject headings might lead you to other articles that are useful. For example, I did a keyword search for jealousy, but maybe I want to do a subject search for jealousy. That's going to be more specific. Another way I can search is by using different terms. Maybe instead of using the word jealousy, I want to use the word envy. I will get different results depending on the keywords that I use, and I might have to try several. Every time I search, my limiters need to be checked. This is full text still. all of my results are peer-reviewed, but I want to make sure they're all empirical. Additionally, I might want to limit my date a little more. Instead of going back to 1953, maybe I only want to find articles published between 2020 and 2023. So I can search again, and each time I search, I get different results. One way to find good search terms is to use the APA thesaurus. In a separate video, I will show you how to use that thesaurus. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can always go back to the GCC Library website. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you can use our chat feature to connect online with a librarian